everybody. I wanted to do a little short video how I color the roots on my hair. Let's get started. All right, this is everything that I use. This is the one that I usually go to, the L'Oreal Paris, and this one is 01, which is the Extra Light Natural Ash Blonde. And all of this, the gloves, all of this comes in the kit. I normally don't use that, so put that over to the side. And I use normally 3 hair clips. I have 1 in my hair, so 3 hair clips and this little color brush. I think I got this like at Sally's for like a couple of dollars. And then my wide tooth comb. I've had that forever. It's probably Sally's. You can probably get it at Sally's. Before you do get started, most importantly, read the instructions. And here we go. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to go ahead now and just separate this into 3 sections. You just kind of comb that forward. Sometimes I'll put it like over my ear too. And then just come down the side. See how it's kind of here in the back? You can kind of see. Okay, now we've got the back up here. I'm going to kind of take the top and kind of pull it towards me a little bit. Put that with the other 2 front pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and just give it a twist. Put that up there like that. And just comb it out, get all the tangles out. And this is where my part line usually goes, kind of here on the side, so that's where I'll start. Now before we do start putting the color on it, I'm going to use this. This is what comes with the kit. This is a pre-color treatment. You just break it off. Just like that. Get a little bit on your hand. Move it together. And I just put it on the ends of my hair. Just on the ends. Kind of work it in. Now we're going to go ahead and take this bottle. This is the Developer Cream. And this is the number 2. This is the color. Go ahead and just use all of it. You're going to put all of it inside here. I'm just going to squeeze it all in. Put the lid back on. And before you take this off, make sure you give it a good shake. Get my little brush. I'm going to start here at the top. And whenever I apply the color, I'm only gonna put it right, I'm gonna stop it right there where the dark is at, where it's grown out. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move and do this side. Now we're gonna go to the next piece. Now I usually just take the edge of my brush and see where that color is right there where it stops the dark. That's where I go straight and go all the way to the back, pinch it with my finger, pull that down, and then I just flip that over to the side. Now we're ready to do the next piece. Same thing. Put it right there where it's dark. We're going to pull it out, grab just a little bit. We're going to take this, and sometimes it's easier if you take your hair and you pull it down. Now this is the way that I do it. You may have totally different methods, but this is what I've been doing forever, so I just wanted to share with you how I do it. Again, pull it, pinch that one piece, push that down, flip it over, put the color on. All right, now I've gone ahead, I've come all the way down here. Now I'm here almost to my ear. So usually I kind of break it up when I get to my ear. I'll do this little front section right in here. And sometimes I'll even do this. I'll put just a little bit of on the brush. Kind of like that. Kind of just get it right in there. So it's not making too big of a mess. And then always make sure that you get behind your ear, kind of go up like that. Now, all of this that we've got the color on, I'm just gonna give it a twist. One of my clippies, hair clips, twist it around and clamp it just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna move quickly over here to the other side. Okay, I'm all the way down almost to my ear, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the end and go just right up here, the very top of my ear, and follow my ear and just go straight up. I'm gonna pinch it, pull to separate that. Now I'm just gonna work with this little section and go right here to where it's dark. Pinch it, push that down, pull that up, do the next little section. And repeat that almost here at the end. Still got some color here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just spread that on there because this is really thin. Go right up there, just like so. And let's go ahead and move right here to the back part of this side. Kind of putting it right there on that dark line. Can we see? At first this may seem kind of backwards to you, but once you do it a while, you kind of just get the hang of it. I feel like I've been doing this forever. And again, just separate another piece. And then we're gonna go all the way down. Okay, got all the way down here to the end. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just flip all of this part over that we just colored. And then I'm going to put one of my hair clips on that. Just like that. Okay. All right, so we got the two sides done. Now I'm gonna do the back. Sometimes the back is a lot more tricky to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it down because remember I clipped it earlier. So here's all the back, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did on the sides, just going straight down. Now this one I'm gonna turn backwards, and the way that I do this with it backwards, I have my mirror, so I have my mirror to look into, and I set that mirror right there. You guys should be able to see me right here. So let's start right here, just put a little bit across the top. And we're just gonna pull that down where it's dark. And same premise as earlier. Now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to kind of go around the edges because I haven't really done that yet because I know this part is the part that you see. So take it ever so slightly and go right there on those edges. And then after we get done doing this, then we are gonna let it set. And I know this kit doesn't come with a cap or like one of those clear caps to cover it with, but I have some, and I usually just cover it. Touching up any areas that you think that you may want to have a little bit, you may have missed, or you didn't get a lot on it, or you don't feel like it's thick enough. Go ahead and just do that. And the way I'm doing this, I'm just putting just a little tiny bit here on my brush, and then I'm just kind of just tapping it on there. And that's pretty much it. And here's the caps that I use. I bought these separately. I think I got those at Sally's. So then I just take the cap, put it over with my clips on. Kind of just leave it just like this. So this is what it looks like after I got the shower cap on and everything. I'm gonna let this sit for 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Actually, I waited an extra 5 minutes. So as you can see, it's already done and ready to wash it. So I'm gonna get out, wash it, and then I will dry it, and then you can see what it looks like. Okay, I almost forgot about this. I also wanted to say, whenever you're in the shower and then after you shampoo, I usually use, this is step 3. It's the conditioner that comes with the kit. So, and that really it's really good conditioner. It makes my hair feel super silky. So don't forget that. Okay, this is what it looks like. I just got out of the shower. This light's a little bit better now. You can see now right after I got out of the shower. Now I'm gonna dry. I dried it a little bit. I left my real natural curl in, so this is it. This is after I colored it. Let's see, we just did the roots all through here and all through here. So thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to do your own hair too. That's it. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching.